mass shooting at the Oasis nightclub has caused quite the ripple effect throughout the community. But many victims, witnesses, and others are still dealing with the trauma from that night. WTVA's Chris Nalls talked with a medical professional about the ways to get help.
Yeah, I'm here at Right Track Medical Group. Here, there are many counselors, trauma specialists, therapists, and folks here that could help with those people that are suffering from that traumatic experience. The Oasis nightclub shooting left so many hurt, helpless, and traumatized. I talked with Mandy Gentry, psych nurse practitioner. She says therapy is highly recommended for those dealing with trauma. She says there are different types of therapy that could help.
Of course, with kids, we're always cautious just because, I mean, as a parent myself, a lot of people don't want their children on, psychotropic medications. So definitely the therapy component, because when you experience trauma, those traumatic memories really get trapped in your midbrain. So there's a lot of different therapies that we use that are specific for trauma, but even just CBT, like your talk therapy, I mean, that would help just to process what happened and get through that initial shock.
She says therapy is not only needed for the victims, but also for the parents of the victims.
I've never been through something like that. You don't really know how to help your child, and then that's heartbreaking, and then you deal with your own panic, and so your child is watching you. I tell patients frequently that irritability is one of the number one signs of anxiety, and so you feel bad as a parent of, okay, well, I'm irritable at my child, but my child went through this thing, or my child's friend went through this thing, and so in order to better treat their children and just how do we get through this, definitely therapy for the parent.
Some other people that were affected tell me they are already reaching out to therapists for help. We encourage you, if you know anyone affected or dealing with any type of trauma, please to reach out to some mental health facility. I'm Chris Nalls, live in Starkville for WTVA 9 News.